Hi, my name is Christina Wells, and welcome to the Body of Sound Retreat in Peru for women. I am here atop at Machu Picchu, and as you can see, it's incredibly beautiful. The energy here is so amazing. I'm so excited to share this space where we anchor and align our rainbow bridge within our beings into our fullest expression of our higher selves, coming together as sisters through sound, through voice, through authentic expression, through feeling the freedom of this place, this mountain, Apu. I was sitting here and meditating, and it just started to shine with these beautiful rainbows and glisten. And I could hear the rainbows and the bells chiming, and it's truly, truly a divine, divine place. And it is my honor, and I'm just so excited to share this space with you, to go deep within ourselves, freeing ourselves, coming into that space in our heart where we know, where we ring and chime like the bells within, where we shine the beauty of our heart frequency out into the world. No more doubting ourselves. No more second guessing ourselves and suppressing ourselves. It's time to live as vibrant as the color of this grass. In the stillness, in the movement, in the glory, in the ecstasy of being alive, for being here, sharing our gifts and uniting. Because as we join our frequencies, our unique gifts, the rainbow colors of life shine, and the rainbow flower of life unites. It's so incredible. Thank you. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for listening. Thank you for feeling this space with me. It has been an honor to be called to this spot and to feel such glorious beauty that words can't even describe. Nai kaisha kotele ni kisinoko. Ishinarakai ekanadatei ki kamoni alai. Hiana shai ala kontori ishina. Okurnin yakikai. Mishin nana teraron norakinarash. Ai alalakano koruku. Activating our inner sun disk, uniting with the sun disks of this planet. Mount Shasta, Machu Picchu, Lake Titicaca, Uluru, Bali, Mount Kailash, Glastonbury, Mount Sinai, Cape Town, Maui, New Zealand, Mount Fuji. Uniting the rainbow bridge without in the world and within. Coming into harmony, awakening into harmony through sound of body and mind and body of prana. Hayashamakuhun hishinakai mokototoi ina.